The way that we ensure that our philosophy and approach is maintained as the organization continues to grow, it really starts with our leadership as well as the training of our staff as they join our team.
One of the things that we really look for, it goes beyond just, is the tutor qualified academically and skill-wise, but can the tutor connect with the student? Can the tutor help the student grow academically and also socially and emotionally?
The first thing our tutors do when trying to get to know their students, get to know their needs, is their interest, actually. We want them to establish that connection.
Our Strategies for Success training is one of the required onboarding trainings. It gives them a look at who we are as an organization, what it is that we do, how we do it, and it allows them an opportunity to see how they can connect to that process, our whole student approach, and then go out and work with our students.
We also have the program coordinator check-ins when they visit their school sites, and they can give them direct coaching and provide any feedback, as well as provide additional resources to help support the tutors during their sessions and throughout the school year.
Tutor observations are a key component of the program because it allows us to ensure that one-on-one learning's methodology is being followed throughout the implementation of the programs, but it also allows us continued coaching with the tutors.
It's nice to know that the people that you work with are there for you and they care about your growth.